Hey guys, Jay here with Word of Advice TV, and it's finally time to announce the winners of the giveaway. I'm not going to talk about my dogs or the weather or anything else. Let's just jump right into my computer. I'll share my screen and we'll find out who the winners are. So here's my computer screen, and to make the selection process fair, I'm going to use commentpicker.com/YouTube right here. And if I scroll down right here, it asks me for the video URL. And here's my 100,000 subscribers giveaway video. It has a total of 636 comments, and some of them are duplicates, meaning one username commented multiple times, so it's going to be less than that. But still, quite a bit of comments. You have 5 chances out of about 600 times. So let's scroll back up, copy the URL, paste it into here. And as you can see, I have it checked right here where it says filter duplicate users. So no duplicate users. We'll click on get YouTube comments. So amount of unique commenters is 581. So your chances just increased, which is wonderful. Now you have 5 chances out of 581. Not too bad. A lot better than the lottery anyway. So if we scroll down, we can start the raffle right here. So our first winner, this is going to be for the leak detector, number 1. Our first winner will be, buffering, Lee Clark. The first winner is Lee Clark, and his comment is, "This is my winning comment." Oh my goodness, wow, look at that. Talk about faith. This is my winning comment. If it works, please send any of the items, preferably the wireless drill, to Lee Clark, etc., etc. Awesome. Lee Clark, congratulations. You are the first winner. And for the rest of you, good luck. Let's move on. Number 2. This is going to be for the manometer. Pick another winner. Let's see who's going to win that manometer. Jesse Romero. Awesome. Jesse Romero. Let's just put that in right away. And his comment is, "Thanks to your videos, I've been able to fix my HVAC system and save money at the same time." Great. I'm glad my videos have been helping you. Jesse, you are the second winner. Congratulations. Moving on to number 3. The third winner, I believe this is for the inspection camera, is going to be Ashley Shabadoo. Sorry if I say your name incorrectly, the last name anyway. Let's put that in there right away. Ashley. Okay, I at least spelled it correctly. So this comment states, "I am a former baker who just started HVAC. Week 1, actually. Your videos have been so helpful. You have an amazing gift of being able to explain so clearly. Thank you for all your help." You're welcome, and congratulations, Ashley. You won the inspection camera, which is pretty awesome. I think you're going to like it. And for the rest of you, don't worry. There's still 2 more chances for the multimeter and the drill. So let's pick another winner. Winner number 4. Let's see, I got everybody's name in. Yep. Winner number 4 for the multimeter is going to be Jonathan Alcantara. Once again, sorry if I say that last name incorrectly, but Jonathan, congratulations, you won the multimeter. And in the comments, you said, "Awesome giveaway. I would love to win any of those tools," and win any of those tools, you did. You won the UEI multimeter. So let's go ahead and put your name down. There you go. And last but not least, we have the Milwaukee drill, which is a really nice little drill. Last chance to win, guys. Jonathan, once again, congratulations. Let's see who our next and last winner is going to be. Pick another winner, start. And there it goes. Drum roll, right? Bam! Michael McNeff 2. Nice name, Michael. And congratulations. His comment says, "Congratulations on hitting 100,000. Thank you very much, Michael. I'm not surprised at all. I've been following you for almost 3 years now. I'm a huge fan. I love your videos, and I've learned so much from you. Good luck, everyone." Thank you for wishing everybody luck. and thank you for being a follower of my channel for 3 years already. That means a lot to me, and I'm really happy that you won. Anyway, congratulations everybody that won. And let's just actually put Michael's name in before I forget. Okay, so we got all the names in. And let me scroll down. The winners, everybody that won. If you could please send me an email with your address to this email right here, Word of Advice TV, giveaway winners, GAW, at outlook.com. I created this email just for this giveaway. So email me the address that you would like me to ship that tool that you won to this email right here. And actually, to avoid any long wait times, I'm only going to give you 24 hours. So everybody who won, you have 24 hours to send me an email with an address that you would like me to ship that tool to. If I don't hear from you in 1 day, I'm going to go back to the comment picker and I'm going to pick winner number 6 and give that tool to the next person. So whoever didn't win, maybe you still have a chance. And on that note, I also want to mention that if for some reason, let's say you already have the tool, or you don't like it for some reason, or you're just feeling like a generous person, if you want, you can donate your tool to somebody else. Just read through all the comments underneath that giveaway video and pick somebody who you would like to give that tool to. And then just send me the email to wordofadvicetv@outlook.com. And instead of giving me your address, just give me the name of that username of the person you would like to give that tool to. I'm sure that would really make their day. Anyway, thank you everybody for playing, everybody who participated, all those 600 comments. I read through some of them and I just skimmed through the rest. There's a lot of great comments. You guys are saying great stuff. Thank you for all my subscribers. Thank you for loving my stuff, everything that I post, my videos, for watching them, for subscribing. I really appreciate all of that. Hopefully we can have another giveaway down the road. Thanks again for watching my videos. Don't forget to mash that like button on the way out, and we'll see you next time. And if you're still here and not in the comment section below, what do you think of these 2 lines in the middle, the bold lines? Are they straight or are they curved? They are indeed straight. In fact, if you put something straight, like a credit card or a book or a ruler or a pencil or whatever, to your screen, you will see that that line that looks curved is actually straight.